people of God. These people, why? Because they know the word, the formula, the magical word that Jesus spoke. He was there at the Last Supper. This is my body, eat. Take this and eat. This is my blood. And that's what they heard when they were eating with Jesus. Ano natin ba sabi niya? It was already eating. It was already Jesus to walk over there. Okay, kasi pinali kasi niya ito. It was just he was trying to find out what will be their reaction. But in the end, they said, so stay with us now. So when the evening, delikado, stay with us. So you stay there, and there's a time when the eyes were opened. Bubukas ang kanilang mata. Nakilala siya. But Jesus gave magic words. This is my body